Dear students, today we will solve one example of machine hour rate in Advanced Accounting and Auditing Paper 1 for second year BCom semester 3 Veer Narmad South Gujarat University. Here is the question. Calculate the machine hour rate in respect of machine A from the following information. Number 1. Price of machine rupees 83,750. Scrap value of the machine rupees 6,000. Installation charges rupees 2,250 and useful life of the machine is 8 years. Number 2. Rent and rates of the factory per month rupees 500. 3 other similar machines are arranged in the total space of the factory. Number 3. Insurance premium of the machine A is 0.5% per 3 months. Number 4. Power consumption of machine A is rupees 15,000 per annum. Number 5. Electricity for the factory rupees 750 per 2 months. Machine A is using 5 light points out of total 15 light points in the factory. Number 6. Wages for workers per worker per month rupees 800. There are 3 workers in the factory who look after all the machines equally. Number 7. Labor welfare expenses per worker per annum rupees 1200. Number 8. Supervisor salary per month rupees 3000. He spends 3/4 of his time in supervision of machines. Number 9. Hire purchase installment of machine A including interest rupees 862.50 and the installment amount is rupees 5,000 half yearly. Number 10. Repairing and maintenance of machine A during useful life rupees 20,000. And number 11. Power consumption of machine A is 2 units per hour. Rate per hour is rupees 1.50. Dear students, before solving the example, let us understand the question. Here we are to calculate machine hour rate for machine A. Information number 1 is related to machine and will be useful for calculating depreciation. Looking to the information of machine, depreciation will be calculated using straight line method. Here we will use our previous knowledge of depreciation. I think you people have studied in school. And your formula for straight line depreciation is annual depreciation is equal to cost price minus scrap value divided by useful life of the asset. In short, C minus S upon N that you people have used in school. In the same line, we will calculate depreciation of the machine. Here our price of machine 83,750. Installation charges 2,250. So our cost price of machine would be rupees 86,000. 83,750 plus 2,250, that is 86,000. And scrap value is 6,000. So annual depreciation would be 86,000 cost price minus scrap value 6,000 divided by useful life 8 years. So it would be 80,000 divided by 8 years is equal to 10,000 per annum. So like this we will get annual depreciation per machine rupees 10,000. Now the second point, rent and rates of the factory per month rupees 500. So per annum it would be rupees 6,000, that is rupees 500 multiplied by 12, that is 6,000. Three other similar machines are arranged in the total space of the factory. My dear students, here you please understand, three other similar machines, it means there are in total 4 machines in the factory. One machine A and other 3 machines, total 4 machines. So rent and rates for machine A would be annual factory rent rupees 6,000 divided by 4 machines equal to rupees 1,500. Okay. Next, insurance premium of the machine A is 0.5% per 3 months. Here it is given per 3 months. We first of all, you understand, insurance premium will be paid on the value of assets, and here the value of machinery is rupees 83,750. So insurance premium will be paid on 83,750. We need to calculate per annum. So what to do? 83,750 multiply 0.5 percentage. So you will get premium for 3 months, that is 418.75 multiply 4. So you will get 1,675 rupees annual insurance premium of the machine. Once again I repeat, 83,750 multiply 0.5 percentage multiply 4. Okay, it is something like this. So insurance premium of the machine rupees 1,675 per annum. Next, power consumption of machine A rupees 15,000 per annum. This is readily available. Electricity for factory rupees 750 per 2 months. So 750 multiply by 6 is equal to rupees 4,500. Electricity for the factory per annum rupees 4,500. Now other information, machine A is using 5 light points out of total 15 light points in the factory. So electricity for machine A would be rupees 4,500 multiply 5 light points divide by 15 light points equal to rupees 1,500. Okay. Now next, wages for workers. Per worker per month rupees 800. There are 3 workers in the factory who look after all the machines equally. So our wages per annum would be rupees 800 multiplied by 3, that is 2,400 divided by 4 machines, divided by 4 machines, because all 3 workers look after all machines equally. So 2,400 divided by 4 machines. So wages for machine A would be rupees 600 per annum. Now labor welfare expense per worker per annum rupees 1,200. So 1,200 multiplied by 3 workers, that is total 3,600, and all 3 workers look after all machines equally as per information given in number 6. So 3,600 will be divided by 4 machines. So we get 900 rupees for machine A. So labor welfare expense for machine A amounts to rupees 900. Now supervisor's salary per month rupees 3000, and he spends 3/4 of his time in supervision of machines. So per month 3000 multiply by 12, 36,000 per annum, and he spends 3/4 of his time in supervision of machine. So multiply 3 divide by 4, that is 27,000 rupees. 27,000 rupees of supervisor salary is for supervision of machines for the year. Now we have in total 4 machines. So 27,000 divided by 4 equal to 6,750 supervisor's annual salary for machine A. Next is hire purchase installment of machine, including interest of rupees 862.50. Rupees 5,000 is installment amount including interest, half yearly. My dear students, please understand, installment carries two things: principal plus interest. So here we will consider only interest portion of the installment, because payment of principal is a capital payment. It is not our expenditure. Principal payment is a capital expenditure. It is not our revenue expense. So interest will be considered. Principal amount will not be considered for overheads. So here half yearly interest we are paying 862.5. We need annual. So multiply by 2. So our interest portion in hire purchase installment of machine A annual is rupees 1,725. Next, repairing and maintenance of machine A during useful life is rupees 20,000. Our machine's useful life is 8 years, and repair expense for useful life is rupees 20,000. So per annum repairing expense would be 20,000 divided by 8 years, that is 2,500 rupees. Okay. Now power consumption of machine A is 2 units per hour, and rate per hour is rupees 1.50. My dear students, to calculate machine hour rate, we need to have machine working hours during year. Same like previous example, here too working hours of machine is not readily available. We need to calculate, and it will be calculated from the information of power. Adjustment number 11, power consumption of machine A is 2 units per hour, and the rate per hour is rupees 1.50. Dear students, 2 units per hour and rate per hour is 1.5. So per hour power cost would be rupees 3. Per hour our power cost would be rupees 3. That is 2 units multiply rupees 1.5. 2 units multiply rupees 1.5, that is rupees 3. And as per information number 4, power consumption of machine A is rupees 15,000 per annum. So our machine working hours per annum would be rupees 15,000 divided by power cost per hour rupees 3. So it would be 5,000 working hours of machine A in a year. My dear students, here I have taken the question from Veer Narmad South Gujarat University April 1998 examinations. There is a printing error in the paper, so I did not correct it, but I kept the same question. Here it is mentioned per hour, but actually it should be per unit. It should be per unit, not per hour. Okay, so after understanding the entire sum question, now let us prepare a statement for calculation of machine hour rate. Dear students, here I have shown a working for annual machine hours. Power consumption by machine A rupees 15,000 per annum. Power consumption of machine A 2 units per hour at rupees 1.50 per unit. So power cost per hour 2 units multiply rupee 1.5, that is rupees 3, and annual working hours of machine A amounts to rupees 15,000 divided by rupees 3, that is 5,000 hours. Already we have discussed. Now we will prepare a statement for computation of machine hour rate of machine A. It is on annual basis, because annual basis becomes very easy for us. So particulars, annual expense and hourly rate. Now all these points are discussed here. First, as a fixed expense we are taking depreciation, and our formula is C minus S upon N. Already we have discussed rupees 10,000. Rent and rates 500 rupees per month, multiply 12 months divided by 4 machines. So rupees 1500 for machine A. Same way, insurance premium 83,750 is the value of machines, multiply 2%. My dear students, in question we are given 0.5% for 3 months. 0.5% for 3 months. So it would be 2% per annum. It would be 2% per annum. So insurance premium would be 83,750 multiply 2% is equal to 1,675. Then wages of workers 800 per month per workers, multiply 3 workers, multiply 12 months, divide by 4 machines. So in place of division I have put multiply 1 by 4. 1 by 4 represents number of machines. 1 represents machine A and 4 represents total machine 4. So annual wages of workers for machine A amounts to rupees 7,200. Then labor welfare expenses rupees 1,200 per annum per worker, multiply 3 workers, multiply portion of machine, that is 1 machine A and 4 total machines. So it amounts to rupees 900. Then supervisor's salary 3,000 rupees per month, multiply by 12 months, multiply 3/4, because supervisor spends his 3/4 time for supervising the machines, multiply 1 by 4. 1 by 4, 1 represents machine A and 4 represents total machines 4. So supervisor salary for machine A amounts to rupees 6,750 per annum. Hire purchase interest 862.50 for 6 months, multiply 2, that is 1,725 rupees. So here we get rupees 29,750 as our total fixed overheads for machine A on annual basis. So per hour it would be rupees 29,750 divided by 5,000 hours. So it amounts to rupees 5.95. Now we will add variable charges or a running charges. First is a power consumption readily available for machine A for annual, that is rupees 15,000. Electricity rupees 750 multiply by 6 multiply by 5 upon 15. So 5 upon 15 represents light point. Our machine A uses 5 light points out of total 15 light points. So it amounts to rupees 1500, and per hour 0.3. 0.3, that is 1500 divided by 5,000 hours. So 0.3, and power consumption 15,000 divided by 5,000 hours is equal to rupees 3. Then repair and maintenance 20,000 rupees during life of machine divided by life of machine A 8 years. So it amounts to rupees 2,500, and 2,500 divided by machine hours 5,000. So per hour it would be 0.5. And now finally we will add per hour machine rate for fixed overheads plus per hour variable overhead rates for machine. So 5.95 plus 3 plus 0.3 plus 0.5 is equal to 9.75. So our machine hour rate of machine A amounts to 9.75. That's all. Dear students, here I am giving you one example of similar type for your practice. Here is the question. Calculate the machine hour rate in respect of machine M from the following information. Here you are given information of machine, that is price of the machine rupees 3,35,000, scrap value of machine rupees 24,000, installation charges rupees 9,000, and useful life of the machine 16 years. Then we are given information of rent and rates of the factory per annum. 5 other similar machines are arranged in the total space of the factory. It means in total we have 6 machines. Machine M plus 5 other, that is total 6 machines. And total rent and rates of the factory is 24,000. Insurance premium of the machine M per annum rupees 6,700. Power consumption of machine M per annum rupees 60,000. Electricity for the factory half yearly rupees 18,000. Machine M is using 10 light points out of total 30 light points in the factory. So very first we will convert half yearly electricity for factory into annual electricity cost, that is 18,000 multiplied by 2, it would be 36,000. And out of 36,000 we will find the electricity cost for machine M by taking the information of light points. So 36,000 multiplied by 10 light points which are used by machine N, divide by total light points in the factory 30. Okay, so finally we will get 36,000 into 10 by 30, that is 1 by 3 is equal to rupees 12,000. Wages for workers per worker per month rupees 3,600. There are 6 workers in the factory who look after all the machines equally. Then you are given labor welfare expenses per worker per annum. You please keep in mind while solving point number 7, use the information given in point number 6. Then you are given supervisor salary per month. First you convert per month salary into annual salary by multiplying with 12, and then use the other information. He spends 3/4 of his time in supervision of all machines equally. The same information was there in our previous example. Then you are given hire purchase installment of machine including interest annually. Here annual interest is readily given. Then repairing and maintenance of machine M during useful life rupees 80,000. Similar point. Power consumption of machine M is 4 units per hour and rate per hour is rupees 6. My dear student, again the same mistake is here. This is not rate per hour, this is rate per unit. This is rate per unit. Okay. So this particular sum was asked in South Gujarat University, that is our V. Nirmal South Gujarat University right now, in the April 2007 examination. I hope you will be competent enough to solve this particular question or sum after understanding the previous example of this particular video lecture. Dear students, thank you very much for watching this video lecture. Very soon we will meet with another example of machine hour rate in chapter overheads. Thank you.